In the given ratio 2:3. I taught you to divide a line into a number of parts, isn't it? So it is just the same way. Now I take a line XY and I draw an angle out here. Okay? Then what I have to do? I add these two out here in the rough. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. It means actually I have to make 5 equal parts. Now in 5 equal parts I told you what you have to do. Take any distance on the compass point. Now you have to draw 5 arcs. So it will be, let me do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is X. So this will be X1, X2, X3, X4, X5. Again join Y and X5. Now we have to divide the line segment into 2:3 parts, right? That time what we did the same thing and we had to make 5 equal parts of this line. But now he is saying that एक जन को एक रोटी से 2 पार्ट देना है और दूसरे को 3 पार्ट्स देना है. Like that we have to do. So what we are going to do? ये यहाँ पे it means that this point is important for me. 2 parts, right? Then the remaining 3 parts will be there. 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2 part. Nothing you have to do. Put your compass point here. With the help of the compass point, draw an arc. Lift it. Bring it to point 2. Draw an arc. You don't have to make it for every point. Then take this distance. Put it here. Draw an arc. Then join these 2 points out here. So now this is your 2 parts and this is your 3 parts. So let it name it as OX. So OX is to OY is equal to 2:3 ratio. Got it? Thank you. We have to construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. So first of all you must understand what is a tangent. This is a circle. Any line touching the circle at one point. Any line touching the circle at one point is called a tangent. Supposing I draw it. So this is a tangent. Here I take a point and I make a line from here. So this is a tangent. How many places the line is touching? 1 point. So it is a tangent. Here, supposing I draw a line like this passing through the circle. It is touching the line at how many places? 2 places. This is known as secant. Okay? So we are not concerned with secant. I just wanted you to understand the difference between a tangent and a secant. So again, I have to draw a tangent. So it will touch it like this. So this is a tangent. This line is a tangent to the circle at the point O. Okay? This is there. Now, third point is chord. What is a chord? Chord is a line which touches the circle at 2 points. Means that it is not doesn't go outside. It is inside only. Okay? This is a chord. This is a chord. Chord. This is a chord, and you must have already studied in junior classes that the longest chord is the diameter which passes through the center of the circle. That chord is the longest chord which is the diameter. It may be this diameter or it may be like this diameter. Understood? So tangent, secant and chord. Now what is it saying? It is telling us that we have to draw a tangent to a circle. So how to draw a tangent to a circle? circle. Then this is the center of a circle. Let the point be O. Supposing from this point I have to draw a tangent. Let that point be Y. So how I am going to draw it? Okay. Join OY and extend it further outside. Take it further. Let it be A. Okay. Now with Y as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc this side and then draw an arc this side. Okay. Then let this be point ST. Then this ST is there. Then taking more than half the distance of ST. Half कितना होगा around here? So इससे ज़्यादा. यहाँ से लेके let me take the radius out here and draw an arc this side and this side. Put your compass point here. This is the distance that you have taken. Draw an arc here and draw an arc here. Okay. Then with the same distance from point P, draw an arc here and draw an arc here, cutting the previous arc. Okay. Now join these 3 points, this and this. It will pass through it. Okay. I am not getting the line. So it will be like this and it will pass through these points. So this is the tangent from point Y on the circle which has a center O. Construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. This is the Y. So what we did, simple. First of all, we joined the radius, extended it further to point A. Then from point Y, we took a convenient radius, drew an arc on both the sides. After that, we took a distance more than half between ST, drew an arc on both the sides from point S and then from point T. Then we join these two intersection lines. So if we join it, it will pass through the point Y. So point UV is the tangent. UV is the tangent. Line UV is the tangent from the passing through the point Y. Okay. Now this is what we did. Here we took the help of the center. From the center we joined. Now another question is there that we have to draw a tangent but we cannot use the center. So how we are going to do that? Here is the thing, without using the center. So supposing I take a circle, I draw a circle, okay. Of course we are drawing it, we draw the circle with the help of the compass. Now this is the point. From this point I have to draw a tangent, but I cannot take the help of the center, means I cannot use this. Now what to do? First of all, draw a chord. Now YX is a chord passing from point X. Okay, it should touch the point X, the point from where we have to draw the tangent. Right? Now this is the center. सेंटर के इस साइड में हमने ये कॉर्ड बनाया. अब ठीक उसके ऑपोजिट साइड में एक पॉइंट लो, W. Okay? Now join these two lines like this, like this. Understood? Keep it in mind what I am saying. The chord we drew on this side of the circle, then on the opposite side we have to take a point and join it. Now with W as center and any convenient arc, draw an arc out here like this. Okay? Lift it, bring it to point X. From here, draw an arc. Same distance. Okay? Now take this distance, right? the distance between the two, supposing I mark it as AB. So take this distance AB, lift it, bring it on this line XY and cut it out here. Okay? Then mark it supposing UV. So join this point V and X and draw a tangent. So this will be your tangent to the circle from point X without taking the center. I'll explain it once more. Draw a circle. This is the point X from where I have to draw the tangent. I joined X, I took another point Y, I made a chord XY. On the opposite side of the center, I took a point W, joined YW and XW. After that, I took a convenient radius, drew an arc AB. With that same distance, I drew an arc from point X, cutting the line XY. Okay, then I took the distance AB and from point U, I cut another arc on the opposite side. Okay, then that is point V. Then just join X and V, draw a line, and that XV will be your tangent without taking the center of the circle. We have to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. First, what we had been given a circle and we had given a point on the circle. Now it is saying that the point is here. This is the point X. From point X we have to draw tangent. Now from point X we will get two tangents, not one tangent. Okay? So we have to construct from here. What we are going to do, this is the center O. Okay? Then join OX. After joining OX, construct a perpendicular bisector of OX. How I taught you to construct a perpendicular bisector? With center O and more than half the distance of OX, draw an arc here from point O and then here. Then again keeping the compass point here and the same distance, draw out here, draw out here. You have to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line OX, means it is going to divide the line into two parts. Okay? Now what you are going to do, you take the radius OM. Take the radius OM and with M as the center and that radius which you took OM, draw an arc out here and out here. Cut an arc out here and here. Or you can draw a semicircle also. It is not necessary for you to draw because what is important is my cutting the circle at these 2 points. What I said, OM is the radius. अगर ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है तो आपको क्या लेना है, कंपास का पॉइंट यहाँ रहेगा और ये डिस्टेंस M तक O तक रहेगा. इस चीज को लेके आप एक सेमी सर्कल जैसा ऐसा सर्कल बन जाएगा. So it is cutting the circle at 2 points. So this portion is not necessary for construction. Only this is there. But you can draw the full thing also. Then this point you got as A and this here B. Join XA and join XB. So XA and XB are the tangents from which point? From the point X, which is lying outside the circle. In this manner you have to do it. Okay?